doors are open. Oh boy. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm super happy. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, look at it. It's so good. Oh my gosh, look at this floor. Wow. Boy.
Okay, why don't we sit up the track?
Wow. Holy cow. Holy cow. This little container built into the side of the wall looks like it's been there for a million years. Or at least over 100. Ooh, look under the stairs. That looks very scary.
It's a heavy thing.
I know. This table is really amazing. What a great work table. Wow. And there's all the little dauber nests. Look at this cute little shelves. That's not creepy at all. No, that's just so cool. I can't wait to get in there to that and clean that. Look at all these snails.
Looking at the floor of this old blacksmith shop, it just fascinates me. The hard knots in the wood are raised, and the softer wood off to the sides of it is recessed. And the only way that could have happened is if millions and millions and millions of steps, I think, walked across this and wore away the background wood and left the knots in it exposed and sticking up because they're harder. So it just fascinates me that it just took so many people walking, maybe animals, to make it this way. So I want to leave the floor. I do want to level the whole floor up though. It's a little dangerous to walk around. There's holes in the floor, there's uneven edges. So I want to make it safe to walk on. So I'm going to have to get underneath the floor, and on the floor joists that are below these boards, I need to build them up so everything is level and flat again, so that we won't have a stumbling issue in the shop when people are walking around in here. You know, we've got little edges sticking up like here, so we got to get them flattened out. And it's going to be a big project, but I've got time, so I'll work on that.
Okay, so what is my job, boss?
Yeah, boss. How about assistant boss? Okay, we got lots of ventilation holes, air conditioning holes in the building.
Are you going to take away my air conditioning?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
So what you need to do is to take the little thin slats like this, and I've got a whole bunch of them, put them over it, and then find any place where you can find where it's fairly solid at the top and bottom, and just staple them on. So you got to get it pressed on really tightly.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Is there a reason you're putting them up without staining them first, or
Well, honey, I
it
just
doesn't
come back
matter?
and do that later.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, I got to turn it on first. That might help.
okay. Okay, so my job is going to be to walk around
Yep,
with
and
the little
little slats like
slats,
this, and we're gonna
cover
patch
up the
my
holes.
ventilation holes in the building. I don't need them as bad as I thought I did. So hold it firmly, staple. Well, not really staple, I'm using a little
But is it
brads.
going all the way in the wood?
Well, if they don't, we're gonna use the hammer and tap them the rest of the way in. Yeah, some of them are, they go in better. Oh, got that one.
Did it work?
But
Oh,
anyway, we're
it
on this.
did.
Yep.
It worked.
Yep.
Are they like little nails?
Yep, little tiny nails.
Oh, I see. Oh, it's not a stapler. It's a nail.
Uh-huh.
It's good.
It's great.
Now
Congratulations.
how many more do I have to do?
About 300 of them. Good luck. Well, what I thought I would do is maybe get this hole in the floor covered up with a piece of plywood. It had two 2x4s over it, but it was, or 2x12s over it, but it was tripping. So I thought I'd get a lower, thinner piece of plywood on it so it wouldn't be so trippy. And what I'm going to do later then is I'm going to cut the hole out and with some other planks and plank it up so it's straight across here. But for a temporary fix, I thought I'd do this, and I'm just going to go ahead and patch it for now and make it so it's a little safer than it was before. Yep, I think that's going to fix the problem for a while. Be a little bit safer then. Not quite the stumbling hazard it used to be right here with big 2x12s on it. So that's it for now.